We recently had our 2020 Can-Am X3 RC build down at Johnson Valley, which is home to King of the Hammers race. Johnson Valley has a wide variety of terrain, from gnarly rock crawling to gigantic whoops, and lots of G-out situations with cross-grain type terrain. And this is a perfect scenario to test out our suspension. For our suspension, we work with Fox and Shock Therapy to improve what Can-Am already has as a great suspension on the Maverick X3. The first thing we did is, with Shock Therapy, we added their Stage 2 ride improvement system, which includes internal valving, a new bypass tube, and also a dual rate spring kit. Now this greatly improves the plushness and also the bottom out resistance capabilities of the shocks. And then from there, we worked with Shock Therapy and Fox and added the IQS kit to our shocks. IQS stands for Intelligent Quick Switch, and this gives you the capability to switch inside the vehicle from soft to medium to firm with a flip of the switch, instead of having to go outside and adjust the shocks, outside the vehicle. This is super cool in terrain like Johnson Valley that has such a wide variety of terrain, and we really found the car really just soaked up everything we threw at it, and the adjustability on the fly makes it even better.
Hey guys, this is Justin with Shock Therapy, and I want to tell you a little bit about our RAS that we're putting into the UTV Guide X3 that's over on the floor behind me. People always ask what we do to the inside. Well, we're doing internal bypass tubes like this one standing right over here, which is a stock tube. We do internal tubes on the front shocks as well. On the inside, we're modifying valving, modifying the piston. We're changing some of the oil flows on the inside of the shaft as well, because that's where rebound is controlled. If you look at the valving next to me, you're looking at a box that's got about $25,000 worth of valving in it. We pull from that every single day. Here's other valving that's on the side stacks of the bypasses. That's these guys right here. Don't look very close. Secret port locations. Combine all of those things with coil springs, dual rate system that rides amazing and accounts for all of the weight in the car that you add. On top of that, you throw limit straps on this car to stop it from vibrating or clunking on the extension. That's a complete RIS.